Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to turn off announced Truecaller voice calls on Truecaller app. So if you also want to turn off announced Truecaller voice calls on Truecaller app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Truecaller application. Wait for it to load. You can see over here, Truecaller application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to turn off announced Truecaller voice calls, what you have to do is go to settings. For that, all you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see right over here at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. You'll be able to find the option for outgoing calls, incoming calls, missed calls, blocked calls, delete all calls, and settings. Simply tap on the settings option that you can see at the last. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the settings interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find several options for settings. You'll be able to find general settings options. Also, you'll be able to find the options like calls, messaging, privacy center, block, etc. Simply tap on the second option, that is calls. Now you'll be led to the calls interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options related to the calls. Scroll down. What you have to do is find this section for phone calls. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for announce phone calls. You can see over here, right now it is turned on. That means caller's name will be read out loud for incoming calls. If you want to turn it off, simply toggle this button that you can see right over here. Now announce phone calls has been turned off. So that is how you turn off announce Truecaller voice calls on Truecaller app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.